Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome back to another schema scalper video. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go and watch them. But welcome to this video. We're going over this trade, Nasdaq, 10:37 a.m., 11th of March, Monday. The opening price is there, closing price is there. It's about break even, minus 0.1%. And let's get into it. I already have it on the chart. What is the time again? Let me check. Forgetting. Getting old. 10:37. So in the previous video you saw I took a loss at 10:32, 10:33, and now I re-entered the position 10:37 just because I saw the reaction here of this breaker. Couldn't close above, and also this high the two sessions before it couldn't close above. So to me that was telling me that we're gonna see price going lower and probably going below this low, which it ended up not doing at this time, but that was my idea that I had. So let's get into it even further. So we have the breaker which I entered off of, which was an early entry. I'm not going to lie to you guys, that entry was kind of early. I should have waited for confirmation. Let's see, that's not a breaker structure. No breaker structure here. No breaker structure. So I'm looking at all these swing lows for potential breaker structures before. So we've got a breaker structure here. It goes up. So this could be a run on stops now. That's a run on stops. Actually, let's do this. Let's measure this range. I haven't done this before. And let's do friction gradients, but let's add in one in front of each of them. So instead of 0.75 and 1.75, 1.25, 0.5, and then 2. Let's see how this looks. Okay, it should be inverted. Okay, so it's 1.5 as a run on stops of this range down off the breaker structure. So I'm gonna save this. Maybe this will be breaker structure run higher. I'm gonna save this and look at it. Because maybe I could salvage some losses. So let's say I take a loss in breaker structure. It runs down and comes back, but it runs it up to that 1.5 level or 1. Whatever level it runs it to, and then comes back into the range. Maybe I could take another entry and cover that loss that I just took, if that was a run on stops. That could be an interesting idea. Okay, so that maybe I could have it's actually super interesting. Okay, got a fair value gap, another fair value gap. Now my idea was that that's a breaker. We've got this high, it's liquidity above that high. We going inside a fair value gap, filling in that fair value gap, and that's a potential run and stops. That was what's going through my head at that time, and I took this position 12 points. So my stop was here, 12. Stop was there, and take profit was below this low because I thought this low was going to be taken, as my projections show. See, these projections aren't 100%, but when they work, it's like magic. It's insane. And now I entered early, or not early exactly, sorry. I entered before this candle formed, or before the candle closed. Sorry, not before the candle formed, before the candle closed. So, and before this candle closed. So I wouldn't have known that this down candle wasn't going to be a fair value gap. If it was, this low and this low are not equal. It's 0.1 difference, but the difference is still there. So this would then be my breaker structure, and I could potentially enter more if it went inside that fair value gap, if a fair value gap was made. Let's see. So we've got here, that's now the breaker structure. So at that point, fair value gap, swing, breaker structure. That swing high is important. Can put my stop above there and feel confident about it. And then I have a re-entry here. Wait, let me just see this quickly. Measuring gap. Okay, still within the range. Doesn't get the low, still within the range. Okay, my take profit was down here. Reacted off the fair value gap, went lower. This was my first worry, was that it wasn't going to break this low. After it broke this low, I had confidence that we were going to see price take this low at 10.15, 10.17, sorry. And it stopped inside the fair value gap and reversed. Nothing wrong with this trade. I think I entered a bit early, but I did have reason to enter slightly earlier or higher up in the price leg. Didn't experience any heat. All in all, decent trade. Risk was managed well. My stop, maybe I got a bit greedy, but then again, that's a strategy. Like, can't change that. Maybe I should have taken here this -1, just because I wasn't taken something off at this -1, and then if it returned into a fair value gap and went lower, just add again. Maybe that's something I should look into. But all in all, decent trade. Went down, I think that's like 4R, 5R, yeah, 5R. Reversed, it happens because I'm trying to hold for the full amount. 6.5, I would have been 6. How am I calculating? It would have been 6.5%. 6.5%, and yeah, reversed at 5%. Can't do anything about it. Took me out at -$100. It's fine. Perfect. As long as I'm managing the risk properly, reducing risk when I need to, and pushing into my winners. That's all I'm here to do. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Cheers. Bye.